everybody, welcome to the Cookbook Kitchen, the home of cookbook recipes. Karibu sana. In today's video, we are going to make some chicken. Whoa, that chicken recipe is the bomb. I've made it so many times. It's yummy, it's delicious, it's the bomb, it's simple, it's easy, and it's just quick. So that's what we are going to make today. We are going to make some chicken. We are going to have it with some veggies and some mushroom sauce on the side. Chicken, some veggies and some mushroom sauce on the side. Mapocho pocho. So today we are going to cook from two books. For the chicken recipe, I'm going to use a book called The Plum Paradox Quick and Easy by Dr. Gundry. That's what we are going to use to make our chicken recipe. And then for the mushroom sauce, I'm also going to use a book by Dr. Gundry. I'll tell you the name when we get to that point, but I've also done that mushroom sauce in this channel, so it is not new. For the Plum Paradox Quick and Easy, I don't have a physical book. I have a soft copy, so that's the reason why I'm not showing you guys the book. I'll put a picture so that you can see how the book looks like. So in this particular book, all we are going to get is spice mixture. The book calls it Seafood Spice Rub. That's what the book called the concoction of spices that we are going to use to make this recipe. It doesn't have to be seafood because I use it for seafood, I use it for chicken, so I've used it a couple of times in different things apart from seafood. So today we are going to use it for our chicken, but there are things that I've omitted in this concoction of spices. I've omitted paprika, I've omitted the black pepper and the cloves. I don't use paprika, black pepper and cloves, but everything else in the list I use. And secondly, the quantity of salt, I've reduced it into half. Like in the book it says 2 tablespoons, so in my case I usually use 1 tablespoon because I usually find 2 tablespoons is on the higher side of saltiness, if that's the correct English, higher side of saltiness, but you know what I mean. So I usually use 1 tablespoon of salt. So let me show you what else we have. This is our chicken. This is whole chicken. It's washed, it's clean. Now this is where the book comes in, you know, our mixture of concoction and spices. This is some onion powder. This is some salt. Like I said, I've used half. This is some cumin. I have some curry powder and I have some garlic powder. And over here, I have some cinnamon. So I'm going to put everything here in our jar so that we can be able to mix it. Then we divide what we want for the recipe. Our bowl, some olive oil, once you put the olive oil, I just mix it, then I dip my chicken inside. So I'm going to leave this chicken here for a while. I'll put it in the fridge and then I'll put it in the oven. We do our veggies and our mushroom sauce. We are back, guys, a few hours later. Our chicken is here. We need to put it into our baking tray. Then we bake it in the oven at 180 degrees. For how long? Until it's crispy. I just love it when it's a bit crispy. So here we go. Need to arrange it here and give each piece some space. It's a whole chicken, guys, like I said. Now it's time to prepare our veggies and our mushroom sauce. I've given the chicken some head start, so it has been in the oven for a couple of minutes. The mushroom sauce, just like I said, is from a book by Dr. Gundry called the longevity paradox, if I'm not, longevity paradox. I've done a video for the mushroom sauce when I was making the sweet potato gnocchi, so go check out the video and I'll put a link in the description for it. So this is not a new recipe. We're going to start with the sauce because we need to give it a few more minutes to cook, and then we'll go into our veggies. So we'll start by putting some coconut oil. The next step, we'll be putting our mushrooms. This is for the veggies. That's some olive oil, some onions, a little bit of salt bay over here. For the veggies, I have some zucchini, some carrots, and some orange bell pepper. For the zucchini and the bell pepper, I've peeled the skin and removed the seed. You need to put salt to taste. Everything is ready and done. We have our chicken, we have our mushroom and our veggies. This recipe never disappoints me any day. Then some sauce. So one thing I can say about this recipe, it's simple, it's quick and easy for making the chicken. Sometimes I even throw in the veggies in the baking sheet while the chicken is cooking. Once the chicken is almost done, I throw in my veggies and then I serve my meal. So it depends with you. So that's it for today. Bye bye and God bless. See you in the next one.